Hey friends, if you wish to enable seconds in a system clock, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now, what do I mean by this? So in the system clock, we have the hour and the minute here, but we don't have seconds. And why is this a question at all? Right click on the start button, select settings, go to the time and language tab, go to date and time, and there is no option here at all for seconds. Okay, the best you can do is sync it now, but there is no option here for seconds. You can check the seconds here, but you cannot check the seconds on the system tray clock. So people were using a registry editor fix, but we luckily found this for article on the Microsoft Answers forum. And for this you will need the latest table update. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab, click on check for updates. Make sure to download the latest update to your system because this was not available earlier. Then right click on the start button, select taskbar settings, and then click on taskbar behaviors, and we have an option here which reads show seconds in the system tray clock uses more power. It will use significantly more powers, but anyway, if it is connected to the power cable, simply check this box and settings have appeared. Can you see the seconds here? Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.